I am filming this in natural light. This Dollar Tree bronzer, I'm going to show you how pretty it looks. Again, when you natural light, as the sun goes in and out of the clouds, it changes what you're seeing. But I just wanted to do this in natural light so you can see. If you come about it, if you come across this La Mercerie Sunlight Bronzer in the Dollar Tree for $1.25, pick it up. It is worth it. This is it right now. I am going to put it here and then show you the difference. This side is my right side. It will be your left when watching this video. I'm going to put it there first. And it is a bronzer and it has shimmer in it. And for demonstration purposes, I like to use a lot so you can see it. So when you see me put a lot during me showing you something, is because I want to see, because if I just put a little bit, you might not see much of it. But if I put a lot, then you get to see what the product looked like. But this is a Dollar Tree blush. I mean bronzer. Well, it can pass for a brush. It can pass for a blush also. But this is a Dollar Tree bronzer with a shimmer. This is what it looks like. I'm coming closer to the light and the camera, well, the window and the camera, so you can see. This is this. See how pretty this is? This is so pretty. I'm going to do it on my left, which will be your right, because I want to do both sides so you can actually see it in action. You see this? I mean, this is popping. This is so pretty. So, so pretty. And it's a bronzer, you know. You can put it over blush. You can wear it as a blush. You can use it many different ways you feel like. I'm coming closer so you can see. Isn't that pretty? $1.25 bronzer, La Mercerie Sunlight Bronzer. It's actually shaped like a sun, but as you can see, I use it a lot, so it's starting to fade. But this is the bronzer. Put a little on my nose. Let me know if you can see it. Let me know if you can see it. La Mercerie Sunlight Bronzer. If you are at the Dollar Tree and you see this, pick it up. It's worth every penny. It's nice. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you always. You're welcome here on this channel. Today's word is choose wisely. Choose wisely. There are many decisions that have to be made, but we got to choose wisely, especially when it comes to self. Choose wisely. I will see you soon. Remember that you are loved. Always. Bye. Oh, this bronzer, I'm telling you. Check it out. Looking good. Looking good.